to repair the world and to help the loggerhead turtles and the manatees and possibly even the people, right? Right, in the rainforest, exactly. So,
Is this your spot? Okay, I'll move.
we did a lot of research, so your children picked their rainforest creatures. We did the research, we looked on the internet, we looked in books. They have a research folder which I will send home later. But in the meantime, they put all their facts into poems, into stories, and into this play. So I hope you enjoy. Well done, buddy.
Oh, did you join them? Oh, nice.
It's good that you dressed up and
I don't know. We'll find out. Why is he shirtless? Oh, because he's green, perhaps. It might be the turtle.
Okay,
Right.
so presenting. Are we ready? Okay, presenting a rainforest play, a lesson in friendship and teamwork, written by the first grade rainforest creatures. Scene 1.
I'm gonna go to bed.
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Guys, what is our plan for breakfast? A hummingbird? Let's eat some breakfast, but first push-ups. I am so pumped up. Okay, this is some good breakfast. Blue morpho and hummingbird. Okay, time for school. Hi, please. Julie. Okay, done with school. Okay. Hi, Cassie. Do you want to play catch a fish? Okay, fine. Yay!
Creatures, I would like to remind you to speak a little louder and a little slower, okay? Scene 2.
Hello. Jerry and Tia, how are you doing? Good. How are you doing? Great. I'm so kind of fun and you are not. My claws are so sharp and you are fat and my brains are so
Yeah. Tap on her boots.
I can camouflage with my wings and my wings are so iridescent blue and yours aren't. Yeah, sorry. You didn't mean to brag. We'll find a place to camouflage you. Oh no, they're predators! Ah, run! Oh look, rainbow! We can hide in the rainbow! Funny. That's funny.
The rainbow turns black and red when there's an alarm for a meeting.
Oh no, an alarm for the meeting. Let's go.
In the rainforest, the predators were trying to eat everybody in the forest. All the creatures of the rainforest are in danger. The loggerhead turtle called everyone to a meeting. Meanwhile, the gorilla
I like to bring berries to the meeting. Before we start the meeting, let's have some berries I like to share. So all of the predators of the rainforest are trying to eat us, right? Yes! Does anyone have any ideas? Yes, Condor. I can distract them while you guys have the meeting. Okay, I will go then. Bye! I don't like being scared. Let's figure it out. Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, just slithering around. I have an idea. We can dress up like the predators and ask them to a dinner and ask them to stop eating us. That is my son. I am not a carnivore. I am a vegetarian. I won't hurt you if you be nice. Let's get together. going, isn't it good? Let's see. Little teeth. We have to figure out who will invite them to the dinner. Yes, Gorilla and Tree Frog, you can invite them to the dinner.
Hummingbird. Hummingbird and Norfolk. Hummingbird and Norfolk.
We can stop eating meat with vegetables, and we will serve it to the predators. And then we will serve less meat and more vegetables until they are all vegetables. Then they will be vegetarians.
Okay, scene 4, the dinner. Condor. Condor, waiter.
Course number 1. Course number 1. Meat with green spots. Course number 2. Meat with more green spots.
You guys look like animals.
Do you think they noticed? I don't think so. Let's give them course number 3. Course number 3, green meat. It's only wild meat that is
Capuchin monkey.
Did you like the dinner? Yes. What is the recipe? The recipe is meat with a little bit of vegetables. The second course was meat with a little bit more vegetables. The last course is just vegetables, not green meat. Well, I guess we're gonna eat vegetables instead.
And what do you say?
Yeah.
Rainforest creatures?
Yay! Yay! We're happy! We're not food! Yay!
Running out of battery.
Was that the end?
Okay, and
I think